hope you are all well. In today's video we'll be performing a waterless car wash. I've got a bottle here hooked onto my pocket. We'll be using chemical guys Swift White waterless car wash. I wouldn't recommend doing this as a full car wash. I'll only use this product in between washes. Or if you wash the car the day before and go into a car show, this is great to help emulsify the light dust, to help soften it up and make it safe to swipe away the dust. This car's covered in light dust. There's a couple of bud droppings on the car. It's just to freshen up the paint. If you like what you're seeing, please remember to hit the like and subscribe button to the channel, and I hope to see you on the next one. I don't know if you can see the difference. That's untouched side, there's the just been touched. It actually works pretty well in warm panels because it is about 15 degrees outside and the glass is pretty warm to feel. We stopped off at our local health food store. If I remember, this was £18 my wife paid, because when we were out and about there was bud droppings on the front bonnet and the car had just been freshly washed that day. downside is that you use a lot of product. So far, that's how much I've got left from a full bottle. And remember to always rip off the tag from the cloth. When performing a waterless wash, you always want to roll a towel along the panel. That way you're not dragging any dirt on the cloth along the paintwork. Before moving on to a new section, remember to flip the cloth over to the clean side. After doing the full exterior of the car, this is how much I've got left. It's nearly an empty bottle. But at the same time, I felt the paintwork is very slick. It also adds some protection onto the paintwork, which is good. This product is also great to use on the door jamb areas. I hope you are all well. In today's video, we've got a waterless wash in the car. You can see a couple of bird jobbies or bird dropping. I hope you are all well. In today's video we'll be performing a waterless car wash. The car's been washed not too long ago. I wouldn't recommend it as a full car wash, as try that again. I hope you are all well. I hope you are all well. In today's video we'll be performing a waterless car wash, and hope you are all well. In today's video we'll be performing a